Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace or remove a power supply unit. So guys, first of all you need to ensure your safety when doing this. So you need first of all to ensure that your cables or your power supply cables are unplugged from the power supply. So you can see guys, our cables are unplugged. We are going to open our lid to locate our power supply in our system unit. So guys, you can see this is our power supply unit and it has got cables which is powering. You can see this one is powering, it is powering the motherboard. And if we want to remove or replace our power supply unit, you first of all ensure you unplug these cables from the motherboard. So we will start with this one by gently removing it from the slot. The next one, we are going to unplug this one which is powering our combo drive. Yes, we need to unplug this one for powering the combo drive. We also have the one which is powering our hard disk, like that. So guys, I can see we have unplugged all the cables. We have also this other one. We need to also unplug from the motherboard, and we have unplugged all the power cables from the motherboard and the combo drive and our hard disk. So now we are going to proceed. You can see we have put these nuts. We need to unscrew them so that we can be able to replace or remove our power supply unit. So guys, let's follow this procedure step by step. We've got one remaining. So guys, you can see this is our power supply unit, and it has got a fan and slots for connecting to the power. So the purpose of this fan is mostly to cool. You see, when the power is involved, we need some cooling fans to avoid overheating. But how do we replace or return our power supply unit to the computer or the system unit? So you need to ensure that it's back to its slot this way. Then you start to screw them back. So this is how we are doing it, guys. Don't worry, it's a simple procedure. If you can follow it, you will not mess anywhere. So this is how we do it, guys. You screw, make sure it is attached to its slot in the system unit. You need to screw also this last one, the last screw. Then we will need to connect back our cables, starting with the one connecting to the motherboard, also this other one, the two which connect to the motherboard. We have the one connecting to our combo drive, Also this one which is connecting to the hard disk. Yes, this one which is connecting to the hard disk. So that is how, so guys, that is how we remove or replace a power supply unit. If you liked my video, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.